Wow. Oh, do you love this, Missy? Is this the best thing ever?
Yeah. Rapunzel.
Ariel.
Oh, Ariel. Silly me.
Well, I move these everywhere. You bet.
Yeah. You need the presents. They will go everywhere.
Yeah. You just make them like a little conveyor belt going down the material.
It's a Tinkerbell puzzle.
Oh, lovely. I don't know where to pick it up.
It's not the box. This one.
Oh, just an eyeball.
Box.
Well, I'll maybe open that one for you.
Mommy, open. Please.
Oh, it's a money box. Can we drop it now?
Yes, it is pretty box. That's what I wanted.
Put it back in. Just don't open. Just.
Daddy, you go put it up on my up on my
bedroom.
shelf.
We'll just leave it here for a wee minute.
Okay.
Okay,
I
honey?
want to sell Older Man's Coffee.
Okay.
Did you see me, Daddy and Mommy?
I did.
Did you?
Yes.
Mommy, did you?
Oh yes, I could miss your pet.